Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change the position of taskbar in Windows 7. Method 1. Right-click on the empty space on your taskbar. Then select Properties. Click on the drop-down menu next to the file that reads Taskbar Location on screen. Select a taskbar location from the options of bottom, left, right or top. Click Apply. Changes will take effect instantly. Once you are happy with the changes, click OK to save the changes. Method 2. Right-click on the empty space on your taskbar to display the taskbar dialog box. Right-click on the check mark next to the lock taskbar to unlock the taskbar. Click directly on the taskbar and then drag it to the section of the desktop you want to reside. The taskbar can be moved to the left, right, top or bottom of your desktop. Release your mouse after you have placed the taskbar in its desired position. Now, right-click on the empty space on your taskbar again to display the taskbar dialog box. Click on the check mark next to the lock the taskbar to lock the taskbar. This is how you can change the position of taskbar.